Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to use a vacuum coolant filler. I have a Cornwell brand. This one has 3 valves. Most of them have 2. They make it easier to use. So we have the air, vacuum, and this one's for the filler. So basically you just need air to hook to it. A big coolant jug or a bucket, and one of the hoses has a nest at the end just so you don't suck any debris into the system. This one is just the one that sucks all the air out of the system. So make sure the hose it's really under water or coolant, just so that way you don't run out of coolant and then start sucking air into the system. Then you have to start the whole process again, or just use a funnel if you already put too much coolant in the system. If there's coolant already in the system, you cannot use it. It's just gonna be throwing all the coolant out and it's not gonna work. But it's pretty simple. I have the universal version, which is it has the cones at the end. Most of them have them with caps, but at the same time they only come with like 2 or 3. Then you have to buy the whole kit for different brands and whatnot, so you can use it on everything. But I got the universal kit just so that way it makes it easy for me to just push it on there and use it on any system. So technically you just open the air, open the vacuum, and let it do its thing. And you see the gauge going up. It normally should go all the way to yellow or green, but since I live in a high altitude state, it's hard to reach that. So once it reaches the pressure, you're gonna see all the hoses, pretty much all the air sucking out of it on both of them, as you can see. Then close the valve, close the air, and if the needle it's steady, that means there's no leakage on anywhere in the system. That's a good sign. Now if the needle starts going down before you open the filler, check your system. There might be a leak somewhere and whatnot. So now that we know that there's no leakage, we're gonna open the valve, the filler valve, but make sure this hose is submerged all the way down, because it's gonna start sucking all the coolant into the system. And you're gonna see right here, I'm gonna open the valve and you see the coolant going, and that's pretty much it. Just let it do its thing, and that's pretty much it. There's a lot of cheap versions on the market that you can use. I got this one for I think $200, but there's cheaper versions out there on the wave. So if you ever get to buy one of these, get it. It's an easy tool to use, fast procedure, and it's gonna save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching.